The coin you're looking at on the screen right now sold for over $1.1 million. This is a groundbreaking world record sale that happened for this 1958 Lincoln cent coin. Now, this coin was produced at the Philadelphia Mint. That means there's no mint mark on the coin, and they produced over 252 million of these coins. And guess what? There's only 3 of this exact coin known, and this is the highest grade. The 2 other examples were graded at a 64 mint state grade. This one got the 65. That means it is the finest known example out there. So what makes it so rare and valuable? Well, this is what collectors call a doubled die obverse coin. Essentially, during the minting process, the hubs accidentally struck each other and caused doubling on only a few coins. Now, there is a possibility that there are more out there because there are a total of 3 known. This is definitely a coin that you want to keep your eyes peeled for. Now, the way you tell if you have one is there's going to be clear doubling occurring on Liberty at the left and In God We Trust at the top. Now, did you know there was only 3 of these before watching this video? Leave a comment down below letting me know if you knew about it or not. As always, I produce videos every day, and I will see you guys tomorrow.